Is your Mac stubbornly refusing to let you use your microphone? Don't worry, we'll fix that in a flash. First, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Next, select System Preferences from the menu. This will open a new window with various settings. In System Preferences, look for the Security and Privacy icon. It usually looks like a house with a padlock. Click on it. In the Security and Privacy window, make sure you've selected the Privacy tab at the top. Now, in the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you find Microphone and click on it. On the right side, you'll see a list of applications that have requested access to your microphone. To grant in-app access, simply tick the checkbox next to its name. If the checkbox is grayed out, click the padlock icon in the bottom left corner of the window. Clicking the padlock will prompt you to enter your administrator password or use Touch ID to unlock the settings. After unlocking, you can now tick the checkboxes for the apps you want to allow microphone access to. And that's it. You've successfully allowed microphone access on your Mac. Now you can enjoy voice chats, recordings, and video conferences without any hassle.